In today's video, we show you how to design an automatic shading system for your building. We'll start with the placement of the electrical cabinet. Uplan will calculate the cables from here. Then we will add the Loxone weather station. This tool will give you an up-to-date information on the main values needed to protect your shades, such as wind strength and rainfall. We will continue by installing the window and door contacts. This time we will use the wireless Loxone window and door contact, whose main advantage is that it can be integrated into the system anytime. Next, we will place the icon used for fitting the traditional 4-wired motors. For this, the software will calculate relay outputs in the background, 2 for each shadow motor. Or we can use the tree device to fit the shading motors, in which case the software will calculate with the Loxone Nano Relay tree device. There is an icon for each shading type, such as the curtain control. For the awning on our terrace, we can also use the awning control icon from the tree device to also take advantage of tree cabling. Then we will place touch trees in the rooms, which will help us to operate the shades in the room, among other functions. And that completes the process of planning. Click on the offer. You will see the wiring traces of the planned actuators, the required cable types for the Loxone devices in the electrical cabinet, and the wiring diagrams. Electrical planning can be that easy with uplan.